Welcome to Dyslexia Plug. We are continuing with emergent sounds. I previously said the vowels have two distinct sounds, A, E, I, O, U, or A, E, O, P. So today we want to conjugate both sounds with the consonants. We want to join them and merge them to see what they sound like in each form, whether in the A, E, I, O, U, or A, E, O, P. So let's get into it. E, eb, be, ib, bi, ek, ke, ik, ki, ed, de, id, di, f, fe, if, fi, eg, ge, ig, gi, he, I, hi, edge, je, ij, ji, ek, ke, ik, ki, el, le, il, li, em, me, im, mi, en, ne, in, ni, ep, pe, ip, pi, re, ir, ri, es, se, is, si, et, te, it, ti, ev, ve, iv, vi, el, we, iw, wi, ex, xe, x, xi, e, ye, I, yi, ez, ze, is, z. If you think you've learned it enough, you can try using the charts to try conjugating on your own without aid to see how far you can go. If you've done this, then you're able to read some forms of two-letter words. Congratulations and thank you for watching. If you like learning here, let's be friends on the comment section. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.